the Aftermarket analysis by Niftynayak.com, and I am Vinayak. So today it was bloodbath in our market. Nifty fell almost 400 points. But yes, in the last 1 hour there was some mild recovery and it closed by losing 300 points. And when Nifty has fallen 300-400 points, almost everything was in red. Some were fallen less and some fell more. But SBI and Tata Steel were in the green. The reason is they came out with their numbers and they were reacting to their numbers. And when I say green, it did not shoot up or there was not a big rally. It went up by only 0.5%. So I expected that markets to rally for the budget, and we had a wonderful rally of 3-4 days where my strategy was sitting in good profit and I did not exit, and now market has fallen and it's in trouble. But again, it's still manageable. It's not that I am in a danger zone. But if markets continue to fall like this for the next another 14-15 trading sessions, then it will be slightly difficult to manage. The funny part is I expected ITC to fall after the budget with the hope of government increasing the tax on tobacco products. Government did not raise tobacco products and ITC went up. They came out with their results and there was no major impact of the result on ITC stock price movement. So I did a lot of adjustment and today it has fallen 5 rupees, and the trade which I took is in slightly danger zone. But that's okay, I can manage because it was only one set. I have a lot of time and I have more resources to deploy. So it can be managed. So today a lot of people called me to ask whether this is the good time to buy. I wouldn't say so. Now things have changed. So I'll just show you that in the chart. So I hope you guys can see the screen. So we had Nifty rally and this is the Nifty daily chart. So you can see that Nifty touched 18,300. It came back and 17,200 acted as a support last time. After that it bounced back from there. This is where the budget rally happened, and after that again it has fallen and it is back to its 17,200. Now the most important thing what we want to watch is, will there be a bounce back again or will this be broken? Let me tell you, if this is broken now and if this low is taken out, which is approximately 16,800, then this will become a very strong resistance. Okay, after that you can use every opportunity which you get in the market for shorting purpose. Okay, but still it is not a shorting market at the moment, but we will come to know what we should do probably in another few trading sessions. Okay, so wait till you get the signals right. This might be a false signal as well, but from what I am seeing and from the other data whatever I am seeing, I feel that this down rally will continue. So I won't be surprised if this month closing is below 16,500. Okay, so let us see how things will work out. And this is the technical of Nifty. So tomorrow we have Adani Wilmar, which is debuting. So it's been oversubscribed and it looks like it's going to have a decent opening tomorrow. Yes, if tomorrow markets are going to be like this, then the probability of Aditya Wilmar going higher is less. But since we had a very bad day today, so tomorrow may not be such a bad day. So tomorrow if markets are in the green, then Aditya Wilmar will shoot up drastically. Okay. FIIs, so they were silent for few days and now again they have started selling. They have started selling like anything, and now they are using every rally in the market for selling purpose. Probably it is the fear of the Fed increasing the interest rate, or is it due to the geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine? So we are not sure what is triggering them to sell, but they are selling left, right and center. Ashneer Grover, who is the MD of BharatPe, So there is a lot of drama going on in Bharat Pay. So he rose to fame because of the Shark Tank season, and now he's demanding 4,000 crore if he has to leave the company. Okay, and Bharat Pay board has appointed PwC. They say that there are a lot of illegal things or scams which is happening in the Bharat Pay operations. So let's see where this drama will go. But it is a very important development because it will reflect how the startups are operating. So this week we have the RBI policy. So everyone is expecting a rate cut in this RBI policy. Probably that is one of the reason why markets fell. Okay, if markets were probably sideways, then probably you could have concluded that markets are not aware as to what RBI is planning to do. But since now in this week, see, the selling came from Monday, that is today. So it is pretty much certain now that RBI is going to cut the rate, and it looks like our markets are factoring into that. Okay. So now in this week when RBI comes out with their policy, if they don't cut any rate or if they even maintain status quo, then I will tell you that is going to be a good news for the markets, and I won't be surprised if there is another up rally which comes in the market. But again, I am no one to conclude what RBI is going to do. I prefer to wait till RBI takes their decision, and I will react after seeing how the markets will react. Okay. Then LIC. I think you all know that LIC is one of the major buyer of stocks in the market from the DII point of view, and now their holding in stocks has fallen drastically. Okay, so the report suggests that LIC is not investing that aggressively as it used to invest before. So now you can tell that this rally which we are having in the stock market is purely because of retail participation. Okay, now we need to wait and watch what will happen if there is a rate hike, and if RBI, Fed and other central banks tighten the money flow into the hands of the retailers. That is going to be a very big challenge. And now inflation has become a major concern for many countries. The US jobs data came yesterday, and it was evident that inflation is there. Okay, it is not some rumor or something which people are talking about. There is a serious concern of inflation in US, and I won't be surprised if Fed increases their interest rate by 0.5 bps, not by 0.25 bps. Okay, so we need to see how retailers are going to fund when there is going to be crash crunch because of this rate hike which happens. Okay, again, we don't know how these kind of things play. The only thing is you can have a view and take a trade. If it works in your favor, good, but you should know how to manage things when it doesn't work in your favor. Okay, so that's all I had for today's weekly inner circle meet. But I want to ask you a question. Okay, so I'll ask you a question now, and I want you to give the answers to me in the comment box below. I will be telling you the answer in tomorrow's aftermarket analysis video. Everyone in stock market wants to make money. I mean, especially if you are a trader, right? So nobody comes to market telling that they want to lose money to stock market. Now let me just tell you the concept of money. So once upon a time, probably centuries ago, it was barter system, where I used to give you wheat and you used to give me rice, and we used to exchange commodities. Gradually we had currency, then paper currency, then gold currency, then fiat currency. There are a lot of things, evolution happened in that space. So now if I have to make money, it means I have to give you a product which will make your life simpler, or I should give you a service in return where you will be paying me in the form of money. Again, I'm not talking about stock market or anything, I'm just talking about a general topic, right? So I hope you all agree with this, right? So if you have to make money, you have to give something in return. So now let's talk about stock market, trading. Okay, I'm not talking about investment, I'm talking about trading only. So in trading, we don't have any product which we give to people, or we give any service to people so that you earn money. So when you are a trader, what is that you are actually doing, or what is that you are actually giving in return for making money? If you are expecting money to flow to you, then what is that contribution which is happening from your part of? If you are telling that there is no contribution from your side, but you are just expecting market to give you money, then it is nothing but gambling, right? So think about this, and you can even Google. I don't think there is much resources on this in Google. So just think over it and type in your answer below, and 5 people who give the best answers will be given access to my option trading model course. Okay, so I hope you guys will comment. So let's see how many will get it right. Anyway, in tomorrow's aftermarket analysis, I will be coming out with the answer, so you need not worry about that. So I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys.